Today I will be adding a new terminal with ground service equipment vehicles and a private jet section with private jets, a maintenance hangar and more to my model airport. All of these items are supplied by Trade.wings, a company offering high quality detailed airport accessories at a fair and accessible price. Stick till the end to join a giveaway of Trade.wings products and a discount code for the Trade.wings webshop. First, I will show you all of the items that I'm going to put down on my model airport in this video, all of which are 3D printed and supplied by Trade.wings. Starting off with a large passenger terminal consisting of different grey parts and this ATC tower, which comes separate next to the terminal. Here is a hangar for narrow-body aircraft with a maintenance set and a bunch of 3D printed general aviation aircraft. And in these plastic bags are a bunch of airport vehicles and passengers, which I will show you in more detail later on. Now let's get started by adding the big passenger terminal to my model airport. I am adding the terminal next to my already existing terminal building. And with the terminal set also come a bunch of jet bridges. These jet bridges come in tiny parts which you need to assemble yourself, and they are adjustable in length and height so they fit on both narrow body and wide body aircraft. Here I lay out all of the different parts the jet bridges come in, and the assembly is a really easy and simple process. In a matter of minutes they are all assembled and we can connect them to the terminal and the aircraft. Like so, the terminal is added. I'm a big fan of the terminal design and the colors are nice as well. 3 different tints of dark grey. Now that the terminal is done, let's add tiny vehicles to the airport. In this bag are over 50 vehicles of ground service equipment, a huge variety of vehicles, making sure you don't need anything else next to this set. And it also comes with a few airport workers included. And as you might know, adding all of these really tiny vehicles to your airport is a really time-consuming and precision process. I always use a pair of tweezers as it's way easier than using your fingers. And with all of the ground service equipment added, this section is done. In a second I will take you through all of the vehicles that came included in the ground service equipment set, so you get a better image of what to expect from the set. I'll start on the grass where we have this tractor lawnmower, and on the taxiway there are 2 snowplow trucks. On the right of the screen then you see 2 red and white barriers that can be used to close off any taxiway or road. And behind that is a nicely colored police car. Then moving to the aircraft stands, we see a bunch of emergency equipment. An ambulance, fire truck, police car and an airport service vehicle all come included. Here this air cargo truck and 2 passenger stairs also come with the set. Next is a bunch of baggage handling equipment and a lavatory service truck that come in the set as well. This orange vehicle is a de-icing vehicle used to remove ice from the wing surfaces. And here we have a fuel truck, catering truck and water service truck as well. The set comes with multiple kinds of airport buses, of which I found this very long one quite interesting. And finally 2 pushback tugs are included. This one and this one with a tow bar, which rounds it up for the commercial aviation section of this video. Altogether, the terminal, ATC tower and GSE set come for a very affordable and fair price considering the quality. Next we go to the other side of my model airport, to this corner where we have a military section, which I'm going to build with Trade.wings products in a later video. But now I'm going to build a general aviation and private jet section in the same corner here. I'm first going to set it all up and then take you through all of the different items and products that I used. For the vehicles in this section, I used 10 airport service cars. Around the private jet, I'll use the VIP cars, which come in a set of 10. And throughout the whole section, I will add this passenger set. Placing down the passengers is the biggest struggle. My advice would be take it easy, take your time, and do not get upset if they keep falling over, as in the end you get this lovely result. I have now placed down all of the ground service equipment on the section and it looks really lovely and realistic. Let's go through all of the different products, starting off with the General Aviation Terminal. A nice multicolored 3D print, and I like the letters on the front. Next, all of the General Aviation planes. This set comes with 4 propeller aircraft, 2 helicopters and 1 private jet. Then the hangar, which has some nice detail, especially on the roof. And inside of the hangar you need of course a maintenance set, all of the yellow structures. And it comes with so many parts, this is not even all. On the side of the private jet section I then have this fuel depot, seen on any real life airport, and a nice multicolored 3D print, which rounds it off for this section as well. I would love to add a bit more of my own twist to this section by adding ground markings and a bit more detail, but Trade.wings provided me with a bunch of really cool accessories. With all of the items shown in this video, you can build an awesome model airport, that's for sure. All the featured items in this video will be linked in the description. Be sure to use code MODELAVIATION10 for 10% discount of all 3D printed items on the Trade.wings webshop, valid until the 31st of December. On the webshop he's also got more than 500 Herpa Wings 1-500 scale models for sale. Regarding the giveaway, you have 24 hours after this video has been posted to join this giveaway on my Instagram @ModelAviation. Be sure to join that to win a full airport set and 1-500 scale Condor model. More of these videos will come soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, be sure to join the giveaway, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I will see you in the next video.